North Korea's nuclear earthquake. Kim's weapons move Earth as tremors shake country. Minor tremors were detected and, incredibly, experts believe they are aftershocks from the country's massive nuclear test in early September. The shakes, of magnitude 2.9 and 2.4, were detected at 6:13 a.m. and 6:40 a.m., a U.S. Geological Survey official said. Lassina Zerbo, executive secretary of the Vienna-based Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty Organization, tweeted that the earthquake was tectonic. They were felt in the vicinity of the Punggye-ri nuclear test site, where North Korea conducted its sixth and largest underground nuclear test on September 3. They're probably relaxation events from the sixth nuclear test, the U.S. Geological Survey official said. When you have a large nuclear test, it moves the Earth's crust around the area, and it takes a while for it to fully subside. We've had a few of them since the sixth nuclear test. Pyongyang said the September test was of an H-bomb. A huge collapse at the site killed hundreds of people. Experts have estimated it was 10 times more powerful than the U.S. atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima in 1945. A series of quakes since then has prompted experts and observers to suspect the test might have damaged the mountainous location of its site in the northwest tip of North Korea. South Korea's spy agency told South Korean lawmakers in October that North Korea might be readying 2 more tunnels at the site. North Korea hinted its next nuclear test could be above ground after U.S. President Donald Trump warned in September that the United States would totally destroy the country if it threatened America. Another possible obstacle to North Korea's use of Punggye-ri for tests is the nearby active volcano of Mount Paektu, which North Koreans consider a sacred site. Its last eruption was in 1903, and experts have debated whether nuclear testing could trigger another. North Korea's official media reported on Saturday that national leader Kim Jong-un had scaled Mount Paektu with senior military officials to emphasize his military vision after completion of the country's nuclear force. Kim declared the nuclear force complete after the test of North Korea's largest ever intercontinental ballistic missile last month, which experts said puts all of America within range.